So first of all, we've got the chicken, whole chicken here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start putting the toothpicks in there. Leave some spices in between. Like that. And that will be mainly for the marination. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave these for now because I'm going to give it a good cut around there. So I'm going to leave them too. And what we'll do in between, we're going to give a good deep cut. I mean, you could do the other way where you could give it a deep cut first and then put the toothpicks on top of it. But it don't matter. Whichever way you want to do first, it don't really matter. As long as it's got a deep cut in there, so all our masala get in there nice. And that's what we want. So what we'll do now, we'll put the toothpick on there as well. And look at that standing still. Do the same around here. So now for the marination, we'll get a bowl. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some yogurt in there. We'll put 3 tablespoons of yogurt in there. We'll add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon tandoori powder. I'm also adding amchur powder, mango powder, half a teaspoon. Gives a bit of good taste. Garlic ginger paste. And we'll add a little bit of oil in there. So use a whisker and give it a good mix. So now we're going to add the charga in there. And then now what we can do, the rest of the masala, we can give it a good solid mix. So the charga is all marinated and all the masalas on top of it, as you can see. Let's show you. So we'll use the cling film on top of it. And now we can put this in the fridge and leave it for the night, and we'll cook it tomorrow. So now I'm going to use the oven cooker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the oven, and I'm going to leave the shelves as they are at the moment. This is the first time I'm using this since I've had this cooker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to leave it on gas Mark 4 and preheat for 10-15 minutes. So I've taken the chicken out from the fridge, and now we can take all these toothpicks out. We don't have to leave it in there now. So what we'll do is we're gonna just touch up oil on there, not a lot. So now we're gonna add the chicken into the tray. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's burning! It's burning! Chicken. Shukare. That was just a dream. So it's been over 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it out. Ooh. What we're going to do now, we're going to swap the chicken around so it cooks the bottom side as well. There you go. I've turned it around now, and now I'm going to cook it for another 45 minutes. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, to give me a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and all I'm gonna say for now is take care and